When a man's heart belongs to you, these 8 deep signs will melt you. Intro: the unspoken truth about a man in love. When a man truly loves a woman, it's rarely loud. It's not always written in words or shouted from rooftops. A man's love often hides in the silence between his sentences, in the way his eyes soften when you speak, in the calmness that settles over him when you're near. You see, men may not always say they're in love, but when their heart belongs to someone, their entire world quietly rearranges around her. So today, we're diving deep into the 8 powerful signs that show his heart is completely yours. These are not surface-level gestures. These are the soulful, quiet signs of a man who has surrendered his heart to you, whether he admits it or not. Take your time as you read, because by the end, you'll understand a man's heart like never before. Sign number 1. He listens differently, not just to reply, but to understand. When a man's heart belongs to you, he doesn't just hear your words. He listens to your soul. He remembers small details. The way you like your coffee, the song that made you cry last summer, the way your voice changes when you're trying to hide your pain. He listens not to fix you, but to feel you. You'll notice something rare. When you speak, he doesn't interrupt. He's not waiting for his turn to talk. He's absorbing you. Because deep down, he knows every word you say is another piece of the woman he loves. And that's how you'll know his heart is no longer his own. It beats in rhythm with your emotions. Sign number 2. He protects you in silent ways. When a man truly loves you, he'll guard you, not with grand promises, but through quiet actions. He might walk on the side of the road closer to traffic. He might check if you reached home safely, even when you didn't ask. He'll notice when you're tired, and suddenly, the world feels lighter because he's carrying some of your weight without you realizing it. Men show love through protection, not because they think you're weak, but because your safety becomes sacred to them. You'll see it in small moments. When he steps up for you, when he stands by you during conflict, when he refuses to let anyone disrespect you. It's his way of saying, "You're my peace, and I'll protect my peace at all costs." Sign number 3. He's emotionally transparent with you. For most men, vulnerability doesn't come easy. The world teaches them to hide their fears, their insecurities, their pain. But when his heart belongs to you, the walls come down, piece by piece. He'll tell you about his childhood dreams. He'll open up about the wounds he never shared with anyone. He'll show you the scared boy beneath the strong man. Because love, for a man, is about trust. When he lets you see him without his armor, that's when you know he's not just dating you. He's letting you touch his soul. Sign number 4. He starts planning his future, and you're in every plan. One of the most beautiful signs of a man in love is that he starts using the word "we" without even realizing it. It's no longer my future. It becomes our home, our trip, our life. He'll talk about next year's plans, and your name naturally fits in every sentence. He'll save money differently, make choices differently, and think twice before decisions, because now, it's not just about him. He's no longer living for himself. He's building a life that makes sense only if you're in it. And that's how you know his love isn't temporary. It's forever-minded. Sign number 5. He finds peace in your presence, not just passion. Yes, attraction and chemistry are beautiful. But when a man's heart truly belongs to you, it's not just about physical connection. It's about emotional peace. He doesn't need you to always talk. He doesn't need grand gestures. He just wants you there, sitting next to him, doing nothing, and somehow that feels like home. He's not chasing excitement anymore. He's found something deeper, tranquility. The kind of peace that only happens when a man realizes, this woman, she's my safe place. And once a man finds peace in you, he'll never look for chaos anywhere else. Sign number 6. He defends you even when you're not around. Here's a truth that reveals a man's heart faster than any "I love you" ever could. How he speaks about you when you're not there. When his heart belongs to you, he'll defend your name. He'll correct people if they speak wrongly about you. He'll protect your reputation like it's his own, not out of pride, but out of honor. Because real men don't love a woman for the world to see. They love her in the dark, when no one's watching. That's the kind of love that doesn't need an audience, only authenticity. Sign number 7. He's patient with your emotions, even the messy ones. When a man's love runs deep, he stops running away from your emotions. He doesn't call you too much or too sensitive. Instead, he becomes still when you're storming inside. He doesn't try to change who you are. He learns your rhythm. He learns when you need silence and when you need words. He learns when to hold you and when to give you space. Because real love isn't about perfection, it's about presence. When a man's heart belongs to you, he'll stay, not because you're easy to love, but because you're worth it. Sign number 8. He fights for you, not with you. Love isn't always calm. There will be disagreements, misunderstandings, and distance. But here's the difference. When a man's heart is yours, he doesn't fight against you. He fights for you. He'll argue, yes, but not to win, to understand. He won't walk away when things get hard. He'll walk closer, because losing you is not an option. He'll apologize when he's wrong. He'll try again when things fall apart. Because in his heart, you're not a chapter, you're the story. And he'll do whatever it takes to keep writing it. Bonus sign. His eyes give him away every time. No matter how much he tries to hide it, love always finds its way through the eyes. When you catch him looking at you, not just at your body, but at you, you'll feel it. That quiet admiration, that gentle pride, that sense of, I can't believe she's mine. It's in those unspoken moments when words aren't needed. Because the eyes, they tell the truth his mouth is too afraid to say. Final thoughts. The depth of a man's heart. When a man's heart belongs to you, he won't always say it perfectly. He won't always know the right words. But he'll show it. In the way he treats you when no one's watching. In the way he chooses you even when it's hard. And in the way he still looks at you like he did the very first time. Only deeper. Because love, real love, is not about fireworks. It's about consistency, calm, and care. So if you see these signs in a man, don't doubt it. You've already touched a heart that may never belong to anyone else again. A gentle reminder. If you found this kind of love, cherish it. And if you haven't yet, don't lose hope. Because when it arrives, it won't confuse you, drain you, or make you chase it. It will make you feel safe. Because real love doesn't rush. It recognizes. It builds. And when a man's heart belongs to you, you'll never have to question it. Subscribe now to Psych Secrets and be part of a journey where every video inspires you to see life with a new perspective.